Hello everyone, this is Tushita Gupta and I'm one of the co-founders of Being ACCA. This video is to talk all about how you can manage two exams at once, or if you're in a job, you're a working professional and then you want to take up an ACCA exam, then how does that work? So firstly, it's very important that we acknowledge the fact that it's very difficult to prepare for the ACCA, for any professional qualification exams when you have a full-time job, because the full-time job, as the name suggests, is actually full-time. You're left with very less time to yourself. Then you might be thinking to give some time to your family, some time to yourself, and then you have a proper professional qualification of which one exam you're preparing. So I completely totally acknowledge that this is a very difficult thing to do. However, if a professional qualification is something that you want to achieve, it's a milestone that you are looking towards, then definitely there will be some hard work, some efforts that you'll have to put in to get to that place. So firstly, talking about how you can balance the two things together. See, if you are having a full-time job, I would highly recommend that you do not go for two papers at once, because one paper in itself is also a full 2 to 3 months job. So do not pick up two papers at once if you're a working professional. This is my personal advice. I have still seen people who are working still full-time jobs and still were able to clear two exams at once. So this is totally upon you. I am talking about from what I know, my knowledge, and what I would recommend. So I would not recommend you all to pick up two papers at once if you're a working professional. Now, if you are taking up one paper and you have a full-time job, so it's very important for you to strike a balance. There might be policies in your firm which will allow you to take some time off to prepare for your exam. So utilize those times well. You might have to be a very good person at planning things well if you want to succeed in this venture, because these are two full-time projects which you're compiling. So you have to ensure that you are increasing your productivity. Try to get your work done as early as you can, and then whatever time that you are left with in the evenings, try to utilize that time that you have on weekends. I know weekends are the only time that you get off of work if you are working a full-time job. So it's really the time that we would like want to go out or have some time with the family. But if this is something that the qualification really means so much to you, then you would have to sacrifice a little bit of the me time or the family time to actually study towards your exam. And I would highly recommend that if you are going for an exam and you are a working professional, I would recommend that you take coaching or you take some mentorship which helps you prepare for the exam. I am not saying that you cannot prepare it on your own. You can definitely prepare it on your own, but the fact that you have so much else to do also can hamper you from giving that time to the exam. So the mentor or the guide makes it very easy. The things are given to you and you are now required to learn it and soak it in. So this makes it a little bit faster, since time is the constraint that you have. So it's going to help you increase the chances of you succeeding. So this is what I would suggest. Try to balance things and try to take help. It's absolutely okay to go for classes, to go for coachings if you're working a full-time job. Usually employers would also pay for the tuition support, so why not avail that? So this is what I would suggest. And also utilize the leaves that you have save 2 or 3 leaves for the time near the exam. Some employers also offer exam specific leaves, so you can definitely avail those also. So try to balance things out. That's the only suggestion that I would like to give. Now, talking about the students who are studying full-time and then they are trying to give 2 exams together, I've even seen people give 3 or 4 exams together. So it's totally doable. You can also surely do that, but it all depends as to what your dedication level is, why you are taking all of these papers together. Do not burden yourself. Only take them up together if you have the time, if you have the the determination it's going to take to pull off all these papers together at the same time, because other students who will be appearing for the same exam as you are going to have a greater time preparing that exam, whereas that same time you have given to 2, 3 or 4 papers. So I would highly suggest that you only take them up if this is something which you really want to do, and always remember the reason why you are doing that. So my suggestion to you would be that you only take up 2 exams together, 2, 3 or 4 as you like, if only you have the time, if you have the bandwidth, if you have the determination that it's going to take to pull off all of these papers together, only then go for that. And if you have decided that you know you're going for multiple exams in the same sitting, then ensure that you're balancing your studies well. Ensure that you know you do not end up spending more time. You know, it's a human tendency, whatever we like, we try to do that more often. So if you happen to, you know, pick a favorite between the exams that you're preparing, do not overspend your time over there. Try to give them, all of the exams that you're preparing, the equal, or you know, the required time and attention that they deserve of yours. So that's going to help you prepare you better for the exams that you are sitting in the same quarter. And again, you know, do not overburden yourself just for the sake of, you know, completing the qualification as fast as you can. Even I had this view when I was doing the qualification myself, that I want to get done with it as soon as I can. I want to finish all the exams quickly, show the rest of the world that, you know, this is something that I can do and I'm capable of. So this is something which is not really needed. I even myself realized that, you know, I was doing a full-time college, so it was not practical for me to take up multiple exams in the same sitting. It also happened that I had to skip one sitting because my college exams were clashing. So ensure that, you know, you are preparing or scheduling your exams as in when your schedule allows you to. You know, ACCA gives you the flexibility, so use it to your advantage. Do not unnecessarily delay also by procrastinating, but use the flexibility to, you know, optimize the exam plan for yourself. So this is what I would suggest. And you know, it is not very important to take multiple exams at the same time. Even if you go for one exam in one quarter, you're still going to complete the qualification in decent time, in the time that, you know, the usual time that is taken by the ACCA students to complete the qualification. So there's no need to hurry or rush. And I've told you about both the circumstances. Whatever you decide to do, ensure that you give the best that you can, and I hope that you are able to clear all your exams in the very first attempt. All the best.